Just give me a second here, just seeing, making sure the YouTube is going. Now it's working. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, just I didn't do anything. I promise. It just took. I mean, when it was up here, you know, just challenging that 3 level over and over and over again, then all of a sudden, you know what? People just got fed up. Said nope. Yeah, works. Yeah, WORX pop here. Volume. That's about a little, about a fifth of the volume for the day, a little over a fifth of the volume of the day, right there on that 5-minute candle. Anyway, I think I was talking about Acor and how that weekly candle is basically the same as this weekly candle right now in terms of the high. I think this is maybe a penny above. You can just see though, I mean, if this can take this out tomorrow, I mean, this will definitely be on the scan for tomorrow, assuming it doesn't get up. You know, it doesn't go back down to, you know, $2 by the end of the day. Ever? I think I deleted Ever. Oh, the Ever quote. Oh, yeah, I talked about this earlier. Well, it should be because it is hitting, it's an all-time high now, yeah. Boy, there's Works. Works continues here. So look at that volume bar. Not bad. That caused that candle. And then look at this guy right there that causing that candle. Something's happening. Yeah, it's a 20-cent spread. You don't like to see that on a $3 stock for sure. Now, I do see that SYBX is now back. I do see that. That's a pretty brutal topping tail, bottoming tail. All within the 15-minute candle. Okay, one moment, please. All right, I'm back. So anyway, what I've done is I've set this alert for ACOR up around 320-ish and just see whether or not, you know, even today, but tomorrow, if it can take that out and then start attacking. I mean, this void is monstrous on a percentage basis. So let's just see if this is we've already had about, let's see, this will be the 4th day in a row of a little bit of a move. I mean, it's not a huge move, on a percentage basis, not bad, 250 to 320. But that would be the move. I mean, just taking out that high right there, that would be the big move. And then that might get it just really ripping. I mean, that's 683 is a high right there, 680-ish. All right, guys, as usual, I'll be shutting the room down at around 3:10. If there are questions, of course, I will stick around. This definitely, for me anyway, for the scans, was the most boring day for the scans that have moved, of course. But you know, I am trying to concentrate on these scans. All right, Coles is another leg down here. Maybe, you know, a break, a late day trade, break of 45, the whole number. What a day it had. I mean, looked really encouraging on the positive side for Coles at the beginning, KSS at the beginning. And then once the market opened, I mean, you know, this is pre-market, but 1, 2, 3, 4, little 4 candles, and then a respite, and then 2 more. And then, you know, it's been chopping around a little bit, but tomorrow, I mean, 45, 43.18 on the month is the low. Well, that would have been a wonderful late day trade getting it in here, but as somebody pointed out, see, now the spread is only 3 cents. Now it's 9 cents, 2 cents. You know, so I mean, when we really wanted it, the spread was 20 cents. When we don't want it as much, they narrow the spread. Boy, that's CTEX. That was a killer of a move down. I mean, it's still up 46%. No question that it's dicey to swing a pharma, but what a move it's had this week. Remember now, this is just 2 days. That candle is just 2 days. And this was an AI alert yesterday at, what was the price? 32.88. So it's about $1 off the move yesterday. What are the main? Oh, there's no such thing. It's up to you. I mean, the whole idea of the scanners is that you can create your own scanner. So it really, it's up to you how you want to, like, what sort of a trader you are. So I'm more, for me, I'm more of a momentum trader, either on the upside or the downside. So, you know, with the filters in place, I'm always looking for new highs and new lows for the day. You know, for my criteria. But I mean, that may not be yours. Some of you like to play pullback trades and things like that, which I'm not that great at. So I can't. I mean, the main criteria, I think the idea at the beginning is to have enough filters in place so that you don't. So you know, try to reduce the universe of stocks you're looking at. Okay, so what does the momentum scan do as an example? So let's just take a look at the filters. 1 in 60, obviously that's subjective. Last minute is 1,000% of normal. 5 minutes, 300% of normal. And then I like to, and then to ensure that the stock is not coming from the bottom, I want to I want to see it. So these are strong stocks with some now additional moves in place. Strong stocks in that they're at least up 2%. Yeah, volume percent, yes. So these are filters that you can put in. So I'm not going to tell you that is the main, in this particular filter, this is what's driving it. Yes, in this particular scan, this is what is driving it. Because if I took this out, these two volume bursts out, I'd get a lot of alerts that I may not care about. Now, just because I get an alert here doesn't mean that I just hop into the stock. It just means it's alerting me. You can see why. I mean, there was the volume burst right there. Yeah, relative to what it normally would do over the last 1 minute or 5 minutes. So if you saw a bunch of bars that were, you know, lots and lots of volume, but nothing was standing out, we wouldn't get an alert. In these, you know, I mean, that's why we got the alert there. Look at the volume bar right there compared to the rest of them. And that's on a 5 minute. All right, guys, one last link for you just to make sure you know. And this will probably disappear Friday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time, all right? So there is the promo code Back to School for an instant 25% savings off the first month only or the entire year. And again, this is how much it costs. $1068 a year for the standard, $2268 a year for our premium service that includes the AI. Standard monthly, $118 less the 25%. The premium, $228 less the 25%. The discount's only good for the first month. But if you decide to upgrade within 30 days, we say to standard to premium or from monthly to yearly, we will honor the 25% promo. All right, guys, are there any more questions? If there are more questions, I'll start the process of shutting down the room. Thank you, Vicky. Okay, I don't see any more questions. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I hope I'll be a little more energetic tomorrow. We'll see what happens. And well, 1, 2, 3, there's a wrap for today. Okay, so I'll open the room tomorrow, 9 o'clock Eastern. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.